2.3 question number 13, they have asked find x and y if 4 into this matrix minus this matrix multiplied by the given matrix is equals to xy. We have to find the value of x and y. So please tell me the matrix. 4 into a given matrix minus another matrix, and that is multiplied to a third matrix. 2 minus 1, 3, 1, 0, 2. 2 minus 1, 3, 1, 0, 2. And this is 3 minus 3, 4, 2, 1, 1. 3 minus 3, 4, 2, 1, 1. 2 minus 1, 1 is equals to xy. तो आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आपको मिलेगा 8 minus 4, 12, 408 minus 3 minus 3, 4, 2, 1, 1. Whole thing is multiplied with 2 minus 1, 1. 8 minus 3 is 5. Minus 4 plus 3 will become 1. 12 minus 4 is 8. 4 minus 2 is 2. 0 minus this will become minus 1. And this will become 7. It is multiplied to 2 minus 1, 1. अब इन लोगों को मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं क्या हम लोग? इसका ऑर्डर है 2 by 3 और इसका ऑर्डर है 3 by 2. Sorry, 3 by 1. So can we multiply them if the order is like this? Yes, 3, 3. We can multiply. The multiplication will be 2 by 1. So इसको इससे multiply करेंगे. It will be 5 into 2 plus 1 into minus 1 plus 8 into 1 upon 4, 2 into 2 plus minus 1 into minus 1 plus 7 into 1. Oh, this is 10 minus 1, 9. 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 plus 8. This will become 17. And this is 4 plus 1, 5 plus 7. This is 12. So this everything is equal to xy. So x is equals to 17 and y is equal to 12. This is your values of x and y. Sorry, these are your values of x and y. Similarly, we can do this and find out the value of x, y and z. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे आप, माइनस करोगे, इससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, and then you can find the value of y and z. Find x, y, z if 3 into bracket 2, 0, 0, 2, 2, 2 minus 4 into 1, 1 minus 1, 2, 3, 1 multiplied by 1, 2 is this. You have to find x, y and z. Let us write down this whole thing. It is 3 into 2, 0, 0, 2, 2, 2 minus 4 into 1, 1 minus 1, 2, 3, 1. So I'll multiply this 3 inside 6, 0. 0, 6, 6, 6 minus 4 into bracket. So it will become 4, 4 minus 4, 8 12, 1, and it is 1, 2. So this is 6 minus 4, 2. 0 minus 4, minus 4. 0 minus of minus 4, 4. 6 minus 8, minus 2. 6 minus 12, minus 6. 6 minus 1, 5. This is multiplied by 1, 2. Now see, the order here is 3 by 2 and here is 2 by 1. So the multiplication order will be 3 as to 1. So it will be 2 minus 8 and 4 minus 4. So this will become 0 and minus 6 plus 10. This will become 4. So this is minus 604. That is equal to x minus 3, y minus 1 and 2z. So x minus 3 is minus 6, x is equals to minus 3. Y minus 1 is 0, so y is equals to 1. And 2z is equals to 4, so z is equals to 2. So it is minus 3, 1, 2, value of x, y and z. Then the last one. Jay and Ram are two friends. Jay wants to buy 4 pen and 8 notebooks. Ram wants to buy 5 pen and 12 notebooks. The price of 1 pen and 1 notebook is 6 and 10 respectively. Using matrix multiplication, find the amount each one would require to pay. अब जय को 4 पेन और 8 नोटबुक खरीदने हैं, तो हम लोग उसको एक मैट्रिक्स में डाल देंगे. जय एंड राम, पेन एंड नोटबुक. तो ये 4 पेन 8 नोटबुक, 5 पेन 12 नोटबुक. अभी उनकी प्राइस का एक अलग मैट्रिक्स बनाएंगे 6 into 10. And now if you will multiply them, you will get how much both have to pay. So we will form a matrix. Jay, Ram, pen, notebook. 4 pen, 8 notebook. 5 pen, 12 notebooks. And the price of pen. पेन की प्राइस क्या है? 6 and 10. Price is pen is 6 and notebook is 10. So it will be 4, 8, 5, 12 multiplied by 6 and 10. So after multiplication, it will become 4 into 6 plus 8 into 10 and 5 into 6 plus 12 into 10. This is 24 plus 80. And this is 30 plus 120. This much Jay will pay because this was Jay and this was Ram's. This is the price. So Jay will pay 104 rupees and Ram will pay 150 rupees. Transpose of a matrix. पहले तो हम लोग लिख लेते हैं कि ट्रांसपोज क्या होता है. If A is a matrix of B, C, D, E, F. So the order of the matrix is 2 by 3. A transpose is when I convert them, the rows into columns and columns into rows. तो वो ऐसे हो जाएंगे A, B, C, D, E, F. Now this is in the order 3 by 2. This is called transpose. We know very well that if A is equals to A transpose, then it is a symmetric matrix. And if A is equals to minus A transpose, then it is skew symmetric. Okay. Now there are some more properties of transpose that we are going to see. If A and B are two matrices of the same order, then A plus B bracket transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. The first property, if A plus B bracket transpose is A transpose plus B transpose, provided A and B are of सेम ऑर्डर. अगर ये सेम ऑर्डर के नहीं होंगे ना, तो ये हम लोग नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि एडिशन पॉसिबल ही नहीं है उस केस में. ओके. Then if A is a matrix and K is constant, then K into A transpose is K. So it is K into A. आप पहले कांस्टेंट के को मल्टीप्लाई करके फिर उसका ट्रांसपोज मैट्रिक्स बनाए, या आप मैट्रिक्स को ट्रांसपोज करके फिर उसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करें, इट विल बी सेम. अगेन A into B bracket transpose is B transpose into A transpose. This is the third property of transpose matrix. Now we'll go on to the next sum, that next exercise, that is 2.4. It is all based on transpose. So see, find A transpose if A is this. Now what will be the transpose in this case? If A is this, then A transpose will become, the first row will become first column, second row will become second column. Similarly here, A transpose will be, first row will become first column, second row will become second column. Now, if A is Aij 3 by 3 matrix, where Aij is 2 into I minus j, find A and A transpose and whether they are both are symmetric or skew symmetric. अब 3 by 3 matrix है A और relation क्या है, 2 into I minus j. So A is a 3 by 3 matrix and relation is 2 into I minus j. तो A11 मतलब element of first row first column will be 2 into 1 minus 1, that will be 0. Then A12 will be 2 into 1 minus 2, that will be 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. A13, because it is 3 by 3, 2 into 1 minus 3, that is 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4. A21, 2 into 2 minus 1, 2 into 1, that is 2. A22, 2 into 2 minus 2, that will be 0. A23, 2 into 2 minus 3, so 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. A31, 2 into 3 minus 1, so 2 into 2, that is 4. A32, that is 2 into 3 minus 2, so 2 into 1, that is 2. And A33, that is 2 into 3 minus 3, that will become 0. So the matrix here will become 0, minus 2, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2, 4, 2, 0. This is your given matrix. They have asked you to find out the transpose also. If this is matrix A transpose will be 0, minus 2, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2, 4, 2, 0. So they are skew symmetric, क्योंकि डायगोनल को छोड़ के बाकी के जो एलिमेंट है वो देखो स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक है वो. So A is skew symmetric matrix. Now next, if A is a matrix given to you, you have to prove that A transpose bracket transpose is A. A transpose क्या होगा यहाँ पे? 5 minus 3, 4 minus 3 minus 2, 1. ये A ट्रांसपोज है. इसका वापस ट्रांसपोज करोगे तो क्या मिल जाएगा? 5 minus 3, 4 minus 3 minus 2, 1. Okay. अब यहाँ पे भी यू हैव टू प्रूव A ट्रांसपोज इज A. तो इसका ट्रांसपोज निकाल के, ट्रांसपोज निकालना मतलब क्या? रोज को कॉलम्स बनाना, कॉलम्स को रो बनाना. You have to just do the transpose and see if they are equal. The fifth sum is A is given matrix, B is given matrix, C is given. Then show that A plus B bracket transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. तो आप पहले A plus tell me A, B and C matrix. Matrix A is 2, 5 minus 6 minus 3 minus 4, 1. 2, 5 minus 6 minus 3 minus 4, 1. Matrix B is
2, 4 minus 3.
2, 4 minus 3.
1 minus 1, 3.
1 minus
1, 3.
And matrix C is
1 minus 1 minus 2. 2, 4, 3.
okay. Now what do they want? First, A plus B bracket transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. A plus B bracket transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. तो मैं पहले A plus B निकालूंगी. A plus B. Can I find A plus B? The order is 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So yes, I can find A plus B. 2 plus 2, 4. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. 5 plus 4, 9. Minus 4. Minus 1, minus 5. Minus 6, minus 3, minus 9. 1 plus 3 is 4. अब इसका ब्रैकेट ट्रांसपोज क्या आएगा? 4 minus 2, 9 minus 5 minus 9, 4. This is the transpose of this. Now A transpose. इसका ट्रांसपोज क्या होगा? 2 minus 3, 5 minus 4 minus 6, 1. What is B transpose? 1, 2 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 3. Now A transpose plus B transpose is 2 plus 1 3 sorry B transpose I've written it wrong actually. B transpose गलत लिखा है मैंने C का ट्रांसपोज कर लिया उधर. B transpose is 2, 4 minus 3 and 1 minus 1, 3. तो अब A ट्रांसपोज प्लस B ट्रांसपोज ये होगा 4, ये होगा 9, ये होगा minus 9. This will be minus 2 minus 5, 4. Now see these two are equal. So it is proved. Now the second part is we have to find A minus C. A minus C क्या? Bracket transpose should be A transpose minus C transpose. A minus C तो क्या आप ऐसे ही निकाल सकते हैं ना? 2 minus 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. This will be 6 minus 4 minus 4 minus 8 minus 6 plus 2 minus 4, 1 minus 3 minus 2, और इसका ट्रांसपोज आएगा 1 minus 5, 6 minus 8 minus 4 minus 2. A minus C ट्रांसपोज है. अब A ट्रांसपोज minus C ट्रांसपोज करोगे आप तो A ट्रांसपोज हो जाएगा 2 minus 3, 5 minus 4 minus 6, 1, and C transpose is 1, 2 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 3. A transpose minus C transpose 2 minus 1, 1, 5 minus of minus 1 plus 1, 6, minus 4 minus 6 plus 2 will become 4, minus 4, minus 3 minus 2 will become minus 5, minus 4 will become minus 8, 1 minus 3 will become minus 2. This and this is same. If you solve it, you will get it same. क्योंकि ये प्रॉपर्टी है ट्रांसपोज की तो वो हमेशा ही सेम रहेगा. If A 6 sum is if A is 5, 4 minus 2, 3 and B is this matrix, then find C transpose such that 3A minus 2B plus C is I, where I is unit matrix of order 2. So let us write down the matrices first. What is A?
Minus
5,
2.
4 minus 2, 3. What is B?
Minus 1, 4, 3 minus
3
1.
minus 1. Minus 1, 4, 3 minus 1. You have to find C transpose when they are saying that 3A minus 2B plus C. 3A minus 2B plus C is equals to I. Obviously, C is 2B minus 3A plus I. That is 2 into minus 1, 3, 4 minus 1, minus 3 into 5, 4 minus 2, 3, plus I is 1001. That is minus 2, 6, 8 minus 2, minus 15, 12, 6, 9, plus 1001. तो C क्या आएगा? Minus 2, minus 15 plus 1, minus 2 minus 15 plus 1, 6 minus 12 plus 0, 8 minus 6 plus 0, minus 2 minus 9 plus 1. So this is minus 17 plus 1 will become minus 16. And this will be minus 6. And 8 minus 6 is 2. And minus 11 plus 10 will become minus 10. And now this is C. C transpose क्या आ जाएगा? Minus 16 minus 6, 2 minus 10. This is C transpose. If A is 73004 minus 2. So matrix A is 73004 minus 2. And matrix B is 0 minus 2, 3, 2, 1 minus 4. 0 minus 2, 3, 2, 1 minus 4. Then we have to find A transpose plus 4 into B transpose. तो A ट्रांसपोज क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? Zero minus 2 3, 2 1 minus 4. So A transpose plus 4 into B transpose is, okay, I'll have to multiply this by 4 plus. तो पहले हम लोग B को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो 4 into B transpose will be 4 0 2 minus 2 1 3 minus 4. So that is going to be 0 8 minus 8 4 12 minus 16. This is 4B transpose. So A transpose plus 4B transpose is 7 plus 0 is 7. 0 plus 8. 3 minus 8. Plus हो रहा है ना क्योंकि तो 3 plus of minus 8 is minus 5. 4 plus 4 is 8. 0, this is 12. Minus 2 plus minus 16 is minus 18. This is your answer.